Did you know that there was a time when you could literally mail a child in the post, like a parcel? To blow your mind, here are some of the most bizarre things and customs that were once legal. There was a time when children were technically considered parcels, as they traveled safely under the care of friendly mailmen via the US Postal Service. It was all legal until the Postmaster General put a stop to it in 1913. One of the most famous examples is Mary Pierstroff, who was sent by an Idaho Railway mail car in 1914 with the appropriate stamps stuck to her traveling coat. Her adventure eventually became a children's book as well. Next up, radioactive beauty products. In the early 20th century, people believed that radium could work wonders for your health and appearance. Companies marketed these products as miracle elixirs, claiming that they could rejuvenate the skin, reduce wrinkles, and even cure ailments like arthritis. But little did people know that they were actually applying a slow-acting poison to their bodies. In Europe, dueling was once a common way to defend one's honor. And it didn't just stop there. Some cultures even allowed marital combats, where husbands and wives could duel to resolve disputes. This practice was often seen as a way to preserve the sanctity of marriage and to prevent divorce. It might seem unthinkable today, but there was a time when passengers were allowed to bring guns on airplanes in the early days of aviation. The practice continued until the 1960s, when a series of hijackings and terrorist attacks prompted airlines and governments to implement stricter security measures. Slavery wasn't as far back in history as you would think. The first statewide ban on slave trade was in 1803 by Denmark-Norway. The champion of human rights, the United States, didn't ban slavery until 1903, a century and a half after its independence. The Middle East banned slavery through the 60s and 70s, and Mauritania outlawed owning human beings in 1981. Do you know of some other crazy laws? Let us know in the comments.